Looking for a garden wheelbarrow that won't fight you every time you move a load? Today, we're ranking 5 popular options from basic to beast, so you can find the perfect fit for your yard work. This one lands at the bottom of our list, but that doesn't mean it's useless. It's simply built more for light, everyday yard chores than heavy-duty hauling. Think leaves, small loads of mulch, or tools around the garden rather than piles of gravel or wet soil. What it does well is maneuverability. Those 2 large air-filled wheels make it feel stable and easy to push, especially compared to single-wheel designs that can wobble. The big 5 cubic foot bin gives you plenty of space for lighter materials, and the padded handle is comfortable if you're making lots of short trips back and forth. Where it falls short is strength and convenience. The 330-pound capacity is the lowest here, and there's no quick dump feature, so you'll be lifting and tipping everything out the old-fashioned way. Compared to the heavier carts in this lineup, it's simply not built for serious weight or rough terrain. If you mostly do light gardening and want something easy to steer and store, this could be enough. But if you're moving heavy loads regularly, you'll outgrow it fast. Links to all the products in this review at the best prices are in the description under the video. Now we step into true workhorse territory. This cart doubles the load capacity of the first one, which immediately makes it more suitable for hauling soil, compost, firewood, or stones without feeling like you're pushing its limits. The 4 air-filled tires help it roll more smoothly over bumpy ground, grass, and uneven paths. The quick release dump feature is a big upgrade too. Instead of straining to lift the whole cart, you can tip and unload in a much more controlled way. Compared to the first wheelbarrow, this feels more like a small yard trailer you can push by hand. That said, the build is still fairly basic. The plastic bed is practical, but not the toughest in the group. And the overall design doesn't feel as refined or heavy-duty as some of the higher-ranked models. It gets the job done, but it doesn't really stand out in any one area. This is a solid choice for homeowners who want a big jump in capacity and convenience without going all in on the most heavy-duty option. And before we move on, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more gear reviews like this. This one feels like a tougher, more rugged version of the previous cart. The weight capacity is the same on paper, but the steel frame and all-terrain style wheels give it a sturdier, more planted feel when you're hauling heavier loads. It handles rough ground well, whether you're crossing gravel, dirt paths, or uneven lawn. The dump system works smoothly, making it easier to unload mulch or soil without wrestling the cart. Compared to the earlier model, this one feels more confidence-inspiring when the bed is fully loaded. The trade-off is that it's a bit bulkier and heavier. That can make it slightly harder to maneuver in tight garden spaces or store in a small shed. And while the plastic tub is durable, it's still not as impact-resistant as a full metal bed. If you want a strong, dependable yard cart that leans more toward heavy-duty use but still keeps things simple, this is a great middle ground option. Now let's move into the top 2. This cart stands out right away because of its no flat tires. If you've ever walked out to a flat wheel on your cart right when you needed it, you know how frustrating that can be. Here you get solid, maintenance-free wheels that are always ready to roll. Performance-wise, it's a very balanced machine. The steel frame gives it strength, the dump feature makes unloading simple, and the 4-wheel design keeps it stable even with heavier loads. Compared to the previous cart, you're trading air-filled comfort for zero maintenance, which many people will gladly accept. The downside is that solid tires can feel a bit rougher over very uneven terrain, since they don't cushion bumps the way air-filled ones do. It's also not the absolute highest capacity in this lineup, even though it's more than enough for most home projects. This is a fantastic pick for anyone who wants a tough, reliable cart without worrying about tire upkeep. But if you want the most muscle and versatility possible, there's one more step up. This one takes the top spot for a reason. It has the highest weight capacity in the group, which means it's built for serious hauling. Whether you're moving heavy soil, rocks, or large loads of yard waste, it feels like it was designed to handle it without complaint. One of its best features is the convertible handle. You can push it by hand, like a regular cart, or hook it up to a small tractor or mower and tow it. That flexibility sets it apart from everything else here. Add in the smooth rolling air tires and the wide dump angle, and unloading heavy material becomes much easier. It does require a bit more effort to assemble, and like any air-filled tires, you'll need to keep an eye on pressure over time. But compared to the rest, the combination of capacity, versatility, and stability makes it the most capable overall. If you want one cart that can grow with your projects and handle almost anything your yard throws at you, this is the one to beat. Check out the top picks using the links in the description under the video and find the one that fits your yard and workload best. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest, practical reviews.